Okay, well, it's been a week and I had really exciting surgery. So we're gonna start over the story from the beginning and see how that goes. Because I haven't really read any Japanese in a week. So, without further ado, 早子は毎日電車に乗ります。Ayako rides the train every day. 仕事に行くとき、買い物に行くとき、友達に会うとき、映画岩の普通に行くとき、映画を見に行くとき、電車に乗ります。Okay, so when she goes to work, when she goes shopping, when she goes to her friends, when she visits her friends, when she watches movies, when she watches she rides the train. When she goes to an English conversation lesson, that's the one that I had wrong. Okay, cool. 平日に仕事へ行くとき、綾子は毎日同じ人たちと同じ電車に乗ります。Something about when Ayaka goes to work every day. Something about seeing people, maybe? When she goes to work on weekdays, Ayako always rides the same train every day with the same people. Shimatsu ni 出かけるとき、いつも違う人たちが電車に乗ります。When she goes out on weekends, there are different people on the train. 綾子は電車に乗るとき、いつも不思議に思うことがあります。I'm not sure. Whenever Ayako rides a train, there is always something she wonders about. この人たちはどこから来て、どこへ行くのかな? Where are they going? All of these people, where are they going and what are they doing? Oh, where do they come from and where do they go? Where do these people come from and where do they go? Okay. 今日は6月15日日曜日の朝です。Alright, so today is July 15th, Sunday. And it is a Sunday morning. Oh, asa desu, not achi desu. Got it, okay. もうすぐ夏です。Summer is just around the corner. とてもいい天気です。とても It is a nice day. 今日、綾子は電車に乗 電車に乗って乗って新しい映画を見に行きます。So today, Ayako is riding the train. 電車に乗って because she wants to watch a movie. To go watch a movie? Today, Ayako takes the train and goes to see a new movie. Slowly but surely. But that's going to be it for today because I have a ton more Japanese homework to do since I've missed 2 weeks of class. So, じゃあ